Good morning, children. Last class we have seen about behavior of different animal, isn't it? Today we are going to see about the process of collecting honey and their uses. Okay, so we know that honeybee they will suck the nectar from the flower. Okay, so in this picture, you can see honeybees. They are sucking nectar from the flower. Okay, so now let us learn briefly how the honeybee will make honey and what are the uses of honeybees in our life. Honeybees they will suck the nectar from the flower, that we know, isn't it, children? Not only that, honeybees have a big family. Okay, so like us, even honeybees they have a big family. So look at this picture. You can see honeybee they will live in beehive. So here in this picture you can see beehives is where the honeybee lives. Okay, so where does the honeybee live? Honeybee lives in beehives. Okay, children. So where does honeybees live? They will live in beehive. So in this beehive we can see there is lot of honeybees. As in this group of honeybees, there is only one queen bee. Okay, so how many queen bees are there? Only one queen bee, and rest of the honeybees are called as worker bees. Understood, children? So in beehive or in honey beehive, there will be only one queen bee and rest are called as worker bees. So now let us see about the work of worker bees and queen bees. Okay, so now first we will see the work of worker bees. Okay, so what are the works done by the worker bee, children? So worker bees they will build the beehive. So we know honeybees live where the honeybees will live. Honeybees live in beehive, isn't it? So worker bee will build the beehive. Okay. Then they will collect food. So the work of worker bee is collecting food. Not only that, worker bee will take care of the queen bee. Okay, so these are work of the worker bees. So what are the work of worker bees? Building the hive, collecting food, looking after the queen bee. Understood, children? So worker bee build the beehive, they will collect food to eat, then they will take care of the queen bee. Understood, children? Now we will see the work of queen bee. We know that there is only one queen bee in the beehive, isn't it? So what is the work of the queen bee? The work of the queen bee is only laying eggs. Okay, so the queen bee will lay only eggs. Okay, all other work is done by worker bees. Okay, so queen bee is only laying eggs. That is the work of the queen bee. Understood, children? So what is the work of worker bee? They will build the hive, they will collect food, they will look after the queen bee. Okay, but the queen bee is only laying eggs. Now let us see more about worker bee. Okay, so worker bee produce sticky material called wax. Okay, so worker bee will produce a sticky material called what? Wax. So with the help of that wax, worker bee will build the hive. Okay, so worker bee build the hive with the help of wax. Okay, so how the worker bee will build the hive? They will build the hive with the wax. Okay, with the sticky material produced by them called wax. Okay, so what is meant by wax? Worker bee produce sticky material called wax, which is used by the worker bee to build the beehive. Understood, children? Now, where does they build the beehive? Where they will build the beehive? They build hive on the branches and in hollows of trees. Okay, so where the honeybee will build the hives? They will build beehive on the branches and in hollows of trees. So now, what is the food of the honeybees? Food of the honeybee is the nectar of the flower. So first picture we have seen that honeybee will suck the nectar of the flower. So why they are sucking the nectar of the flower? Because food of the honeybee is the nectar of the flower. Understood, children? Now, honeybees, they will store the nectar in the hive and eat it whenever they need. Okay, so where they will store the nectar? They will store the nectar in the hive and eat it when they need it. And the honey produced by honeybee has a medicinal value. Okay, so the honey which is produced by honeybee has a lot of medicinal value. So some of the medicinal value, so it is used to treat cough, cold. Okay, so honey has a lot of medicinal value. Now, the size of the bees and the type of the hives are not same. Okay, so the size of the honeybees, you know, they are very small, yes, but the type of hives, different types of hives are here. Here you can see in the picture there are different types of hives. Okay, so the size of the bees also different, and the type of the hives also varies. Okay, it is not same. There are different size of bees and types of the hives. Understood, children? So the size of the bees and the type of the hives are not same. Now, all the honey which we eat is not pure. Okay, so we used to use honey, yes. So all the honey we eat is not pure. Okay, so why it is not pure? Because people will mix jaggery or sugar syrup to honey and sell it. Okay, so in shop we used to buy honey, yes. So the honey which we are using is not pure, because people mix jaggery or sugar syrup to honey and sell it. So which is pure honey? How can we find whether the honey is pure or not? Here is the procedure. Okay, so if you have honey in your home, you can also do this and check whether you are having pure honey or not. Okay, so take a glass tumbler. Okay, so first what you have to take? You have to take a glass tumbler. Okay, and put some water in it. Okay, so pour some water in the glass tumbler. Add 2 or 3 drops of honey into the water. Okay, so first we should take a glass tumbler. You should add some water in it and add 2 or 3 drops of honey into the water. Don't add too much. Okay, only 2 or 3 drops of honey into the water. If it mixes with water, before it settle down, it is not pure honey. Okay, so if it mixed fully with water, it is not settled down, means it is not pure honey. If it settled down and mixes with water very slowly, then it is pure honey. Understood, children? So you should take a glass tumbler, add some water, in that pour 2 or 3 drops of honey. If it mixes with water fastly, it is not pure honey. If it settles down and mixes with water very slowly, then it is pure honey. Understood, children? Now, so here you can see wooden honey boxes. They are kept in gardens. Okay, and people, they will get the honey collected in it. Okay, so people used to keep wooden honey boxes in the garden, and from that they used to get the honey. Now we can see uses of beehive. So here is the picture which represent uses of beehive. Listen carefully, children. So beehive, from beehive we will get honey. So as I have already told, honey has lot of medicinal value. Okay, so it is very useful if you are using honey in your day-to-day life. Okay, so honey has more medicinal value. It is good for our health. Okay, it can cure many disease. Okay, so honey can be used by us in our daily life. And you know candle. Yes, so candle is obtained from the beehive. So how the candle will be made? Using wax. We know honeybees, they will produce a sticky material called wax to produce forward to build the beehive, isn't it? So that wax is used by the human being for making candle. Then paint. So from the beehive we can get paint. Then from beehive we can get ointment, which is having the cosmetic value. So honey, from the beehive we can get ointment which is having a cosmetic value. Then beehive is also, from beehive we can also get powder, and we can get ink also from the beehive. Okay, so these are some uses of beehive. So from beehive we can get honey, handle, paint, ointment, powder, ink, etc. Okay, so these are some uses of beehive. Understood, children? So I hope. Then now let us know more about the honeybee and other animals. Okay, so honeybee collects nectar from 50 to 100 flowers in one round. So in one round, honeybees can collect nectar from 50 to 100 flowers. So how many flowers it can collect nectar in one round? 50 to 100. Okay, so the only food that man eats produced by the insect is honey. We know honeybees are insects. Yes, so the only food that man eats produced by the insect is called honey. Then ants and white ants burrow the ground and allow the air to pass into the soil so that plants can grow luxuriantly. So ants and white ants help the plants to grow by allowing the air to pass into the soil. Okay, now hives, nests, anthills, termitaria, spider's web, etc. are the wonderful constructions of the animal kingdom. Okay, so we know honeybees live in beehives. Yes, so like honeybees, all other animals also, they will build their habitat. So birds, they will build nest and hills, then spider webs. Okay, so they are some of the examples for the wonderful construction of the animal kingdom. Understood, children? So I hope that you all understand about the honeybee and how we are collecting the honey and what are the uses of beehives. If you have any doubt, you can ask children. Thank you.